How much should you actually spend on an RC tank toy? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Bohr WW2 German Tiger Tank. Let's kick things off with the Bohr WW2 German Tiger Tank. Priced at $41.99. This remote-controlled marvel caught my attention with its realistic details and impressive functionalities. If you want your child to engage in imaginative military exercises, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a 330-degree rotating turret and can fire infrared rays, simulating a real battle experience. Plus, it can move forward, backward, and even turn left and right, all while producing realistic sounds and lights. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, parents seem to love it. Now, some people complained about the charging time being a bit long. Here's the thing though, it comes with a USB charger, so you can easily power it up without worrying about mismatched chargers. That means less frustration for you and more playtime for your kid. This is perfect for you if your child loves military toys and you want something durable. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple toy without all the added features. But for $41.99, it's a great value. Now, if the charging time on the German Tiger tank bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Bohr M1A2 America Army Tank. Next up is another gem from Bohr, the M1A2 America Army Tank, also priced at $41.99. The attention to detail here is impressive, and it caught my eye with its climbing ability over rough terrains. If military adventures are what your child craves, this one deserves your attention. What you'll love about this tank is its strong climbing ability on lawns, beaches, and even rocky surfaces. With a 330-degree rotating turret and realistic firing sounds, your child can enjoy authentic military simulations. Plus, it has a 4.3-star rating from 1,000 reviews, showing it's a crowd favorite. Some users mentioned that the controls can be a bit tricky for younger kids. But honestly, it's a remote-controlled tank, and with a bit of practice, they'll get the hang of it quickly. So, if your kid is up for a challenge, this isn't a deal-breaker. This is perfect for your adventurous child who loves outdoor play. However, skip this if you want something straightforward and easy to operate. At $41.99, it's still a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a programmable feature. Product number 3. Bohr M41A3 Battle Programmable Tank. Now, let's talk about the Bohr M41A3 American Army Battle Tank, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention here is the programmable feature that allows kids to set their tank's actions. If you want a toy that sparks creativity, this is worth considering. With the ability to simulate cannon sounds and even program movements, your child can create their own battles. The tank can tackle steep terrains with a climbing capability of about 45 degrees, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. It's rated 4.6 stars with over 230 reviews. So clearly, people are impressed. Some parents noted that programming the tank could be tricky at first. Here's the thing, though, once you figure it out, it adds a whole new level of fun and engagement for your child, making it a unique experience. This is perfect for kids who love interactive play and want more than just a simple RC tank. But if you prefer a straightforward toy without any programming, you might want to skip this one. At $39.99, it's a great value for those features. Now, if you're looking for something that's more fun for multiplayer battles, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4. Bessem Remote Control Battle Tanks. Next, we have the Bessem 2-pack Cute Cartoon Remote Control Battle Tanks, priced at $46.99. This one really grabbed my attention because of its multiplayer features. If your kids love playing with friends, this might be the perfect option. What makes this set stand out is the laser tag feature, where kids can actually shoot at each other's tanks. They can see their health bar decrease in real time, adding excitement to their battles. With a rating of 4.6 stars and over 127 reviews, it's clear families are loving this interactive experience. However, Some reviews pointed out that it's more suitable for flat indoor surfaces. Honestly, while it can be a bit limited in that sense, the fun factor it brings with its multiplayer aspect could outweigh this drawback for many families. This is perfect for children aged 6 to 12 who enjoy playing with their peers. Skip this if you're looking for a solo tank experience, but for $46.99, it provides great entertainment value. Alright, that was an exciting option for multiplayer fun. Let's see what our final pick has to offer. Product number 5, KM1A2 Abrams Tank. Finally, we have a KM124th RC tank priced at $39.97. This caught my eye with its smoke and sound effects that really enhance the play experience. If you want an immersive battle scenario, this tank might be what you're looking for. It features realistic sounds and even creates smoke as it powers up, which is super cool for kids who love action. Plus, with the ability to climb slopes of up to 45 degrees, it's durable enough for various terrains, earning it a 4.4-star rating from 489 reviews. This matters because it means your investment can withstand the rough and tumble of playtime. Some parents indicated that the smoke effect could be a bit too much indoors. But here's the thing, it's designed for outdoor fun, so as long as you're in the right setting, it adds to the excitement rather than detracting from it. This is perfect for kids who enjoy immersive playtime in military scenarios. Skip this if you want something that's strictly for indoor use. At $39.97, it offers solid value with those fun features. So, there you have it, a quick rundown of the top 5 RC tank toys. The Boar Tiger and M1A2 are fantastic for realistic battles, while the M41A3 offers that cool programming feature. The Bessem tanks shine with multiplayer fun, and the KIM model brings immersive effects. Each brings something special to the table, so pick what matches your kids' play style.